see exercise 1.1 second sum. Okay, exercise 1.1 so second sum. So show that any positive odd integer is of the form 6q plus 1, 6q plus 3 or 6q plus 5 where q is some integer. ஸோ ஹியர் என்ன கேட்டிருக்காங்கன்னா ஏதாச்சும் ஒரு பாசிட்டிவ் ஆட் இன்டிஜர் வந்து இந்த 3 ஃபார்ம்ஸில் தான் இருக்கும் அப்படின்ட்டு ப்ரூவ் பண்ண சொல்லியிருக்காங்க. ஸோ லெட்ஸ் ட்ரை இட் அவுட். ஸோ லெட் a be the number and b is equal to 6. So we can write it as Euclid's formula. A is equal to 6q plus r, but r can be less than r should be less than 6 but greater than or equal to 0. So r can take value of 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So substitute these values in this equation. So when r is equal to 0, a is equal to 6q. When r is equal to 1, a is equal to 6q plus 1. R is equal to 2, a is equal to 6q plus 2. R is equal to 3, a is equal to 6q plus 3. R is equal to 4, then a is equal to 6q plus 4 and a is equal to 6q. When r is equal to 5, it will become plus 5. So we just keep substituting all these values in place of r. So we will get the 6 equations. From these equations we know that 6q plus 2 and 6q plus 4. All these three numbers are even numbers. How? 6q can be written as 2 into 3q. 6q plus 2 and the 2 வெளியில் எடுத்துட்டோம்னா when you take 2 outside it will become 3q plus 1. When in this one if you take 2 outside it becomes 3q plus 2. So all are divisible by 2. But what we want from the equation, it should be a positive odd integer. Okay, so this gets rejected and what remains is 6q plus 1, 6q plus 3 and 6q plus 5. See, 6q plus 1, 6q plus 3 and 6q plus 5. So show that any positive odd integer will always be in the form of these three only. Okay, so now let's go to the next sum. An army contingent of 616 members is to march behind an army band of 32 members in a parade. The two groups are to march in the same number of columns. What is the maximum number of columns in which they can march? What always column is downwards. Okay, these are columns. Okay, like if I say like this now, so these are like this, then these are columns. So it has 3 columns. Okay, so now it has 4 columns. Column is always down. So now we will see that we want to have that there are 32 member band and 616 members of army marching behind them. So it is always like the number of columns, number of people in each column of this band, a number of people in each column of this band should be same. In that case we have to find the HCF of these two numbers. Okay, the HCF of 616 and 32. So how will we find by Euclid's? So just divide it. So 32, so 132s are 32, it becomes 29 will be the remainder. Bring the 6, 9 into 32 is 288. The remainder is again sorry, so 32, so remainder is 8. Okay, so what happens now is like we can write it in Euclid's division lemma formula. 616 is equal to 32 into 19 plus 8. So this becomes a and this becomes b. 32 is exactly divisible by 8. So 8 4 8s are 32 plus 0, r becomes 0. So 8 is the HCF. So they have to stand in the columns of 4. So every column will contain, column of 8. Every column will contain 8 members. Every 4, 8 members they will be containing. So every column has 8 members because HCF is 8. So all this 32 and all the 616 members should be standing in the column of 8. Okay. So next use Euclid's division lemma to show that square of any positive integer is either of the form 3m or 3m plus 1 for some integers m. So m can be any integer. So they are asking that any square will always be in the form 3m or 3m plus 1. So எதாச்சும் எந்த square number what are squares? 4 is a square, 9 is a square. So any so the square of any positive integer will always be in the form 3m or 3m plus 1. So let us take a number. Let the number be a and let b is equal to 3. So I can write a is equal to bq plus r. So in this case r should be less than 3 but greater than or equal to 0. So R can take the value of 0, 1 and 2. For example, R takes a value 1, 0. Okay, A is equal to 3Q, R becomes 0. So when I square both sides, it becomes A square is equal to 3 3s are 9 Q square. When R is equal to 1, it becomes A is equal to 3Q plus 1. So when you square on both sides, so what is the formula of A plus B whole square? You should be using this formula. A plus B whole square is equal to A square plus 2AB plus B square. Okay, so what is A? So 3Q whole square plus 2 into 3Q into B plus B square. So it becomes 3 3s are 9 Q square plus 6Q plus 1. Okay, always take these forms and keep it aside, this one and this one. Now we have to substitute R is equal to 2, then it becomes 3Q plus 2. A is equal to 3Q plus 2. So again the same formula, squaring on both sides. The formula is A square plus 2AB plus B square. So 3Q whole square plus 2 into 3Q into 2 plus 2 2s are 4. So I can write it as 9Q square plus 2 2s are 4, 3 12Q plus 4. So you have, remember this is 1. The next one we got is 9Q square 6Q plus 1. 9Q square plus 6Q plus 1, and the other one we got is 9Q square. So these are the forms we got, right? 9Q square 6Q plus 1 and 9Q square plus 12Q plus 4. So we can write this in the form of taking 3 outside. I can write this 4 as 3 plus 1. Okay, now I can take, one second. So I can write this 4 as 3 plus 1. Now I can take 3 from outside. Okay, when I take 3 outside, it will become 9Q square will become 3Q square plus 3 4s are 12, 4Q plus 1, because 3 I am taking also plus 1. Okay, so now I can take the one, this also. From this I can take 3 outside. So when I take 3 outside, it becomes 3Q square plus 2Q plus 1. Okay, from this I can take 3 outside, becomes 3Q square. So if you see the things, you will be right, it will be in the form either 3m or 3m plus 1. So if I take, consider this as some number, right? So m, this becomes 3m plus 1. This will also be in the form of this one, let it be m. So 3m plus 1. So this is also, let it be m, it becomes 3m. So this, we can consider this to be, here what they have given, that m is some integer. Okay, so 3Q square plus 4Q plus 1 can be any kind of some integer. 3Q square plus 2Q can be some integer. 3Q can be some integer. Okay, so all these will be in the form of, if you see, it will be in the form of this whole thing will be m, this whole thing will be m, this whole thing will be m. So either it is 3m plus 1 or 3m. So that's what they have given. So we'll go to the next question. Okay, here they have asked, use Euclid's division lemma to show that the cube of any positive integer is 9m, 9m plus 1 or 9m plus 8. Here also I'll assume that numbers be a and b is equal to 3. So I can write a is equal to 3q plus r. So again here also r should be less than 3 but greater than or equal to 0. So r can take the value 0, 1 and 2. So when r is equal to 0, a is equal to 3q. When r is equal to 1, a is equal to 3q plus 1. When r is equal to 2, a is equal to 3q plus 2. So now what I have to do is cube it like this. Okay, so this like 3q whole cube is 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27 q cube. Okay, but let's see, like a plus b whole cube formula is equal to a cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube. So we have to apply this formula for this, and let's see what will we get. Okay, so now let us apply. When we apply it for a is equal to 3q plus 1, we will get 27 q plus 3 a square b plus 3 ab square plus b cube. So when you expand it, you will get 27 q plus 27 q square plus 9q plus 1. So when you apply the formula for a is equal to 3q plus 2 whole cube, okay, then in that case you will get 3q whole cube plus 3 to 3q whole square into 2, that is 3a square into b plus 3ab square plus b cube. Okay, so now we can say it will be coming like 27 q cube plus 27 into 2q square plus 9 into 4q plus 8. Okay, this is one thing, then this is the other one, and this is the other one. So here you can say that you can take 9 outside. When you take 9 outside, it becomes 9 into 9 3s are 27 q cube. So this becomes some integer and I can write it as 9m. Okay, so it is like first form I got it. The next one, so here if you see, I can take 9 from this and this. So let's take it and write it out properly. So it will be 27 q cube, and then I'll write it down here. Okay, so I can take 9 from here. If I take 9 from here, this becomes 9 3s are 27 q cube, 3 3s are 9, so 1 3 will remain plus 3q, because 3 square is the 9, 3q square plus again 3 3s are 9, that is q. Okay, plus 1. So this is in the form of 9m plus 1, m plus 1, because from 27 I have taken 1 9, so 9 3s are 27, this is 3 square, 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27, so again 1 9 has gone, so 1 3 remains same, 2 3s are went, from here only 1 3 is there. Okay, so I have taken like 9 is there, 3 3s are 9 I have taken, so no 3 is remaining, so q only will be remaining, so it will 9m plus 1. So now in this case, if you take similarly, if you take 9 from these numbers, you will get from here, so 9 will go out, so 3q cube plus again 9, 3 2s are 6 q square, 9 has gone, so 4q plus 8, because you cannot take 9 from here. So from here I have taken 1 9, from here I have taken 1 9 from 27, so 3 remains 9, 3 2s are 6q, so 9 I have taken, so 4q will be remaining. So again I can write this as, this is can be some integer, so 9m plus 8. So I have seen 9m plus 8 is one form, 9m plus 1 is one other form, and 9m is other one. So 9m plus 1 or 9m plus 8. So I have worked out all the sums for this exercise. Okay, so I'll be working out next set of example sums. If you have any doubts, please put it in the comment box. Okay, உங்களுக்கு எல்லாருக்கும் புரிஞ்சிருக்கும்னு நினைக்கிறேன். உங்களுக்கு ஏதாவது சம்ஸ் டவுட்ஸ் இருக்குன்னா கமெண்ட் பாக்ஸில் போடுங்க. நான் அதோட முன்னாடி கிளாஸஸோட எல்லா லிங்க் அண்ட் டிஸ்கிரிப்ஷன்ஸ் பாக்ஸில் கொடுத்துருக்கேன். இங்கே கிளிக் பண்ணி நம்ம சாப்டர்ஸை பார்க்கலாம். I have given links of previous classes in the description box. You can follow it up. Thanks a lot. Have a great day.